Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a preview of the dies that will be available on Monday, January 1st at scrapdivadesigns.com. These are the January dies. I'm so excited to share them with you. Don't forget to use my referral link, which will be in the description box. If you click on that and place an order, I do get a commission, which does not change your cost at all. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. And don't forget my coupon code. If you put that in at checkout, you get 10% off, and the coupon code is strawberry cream. I'll leave that down below as well. So let's get started, and I'll share with you all of the dies and the names of them and just a brief description. I didn't really look through them too much. There were a couple corrections, so I wanted to make sure I knew that. And besides that, we're just kind of looking at them together. So let's get started, and we'll start with like the smallest and go to the biggest. So this one is called the XOXO Shaker. So it comes in two different sizes, and the O's are in the shape of hearts, which is super cute. So it has a background piece and then a layering piece, so you can change the color, which is so cute. And if you didn't want to make it a shaker, you don't have to. Just cut this out of one paper, this out of another, put them on top of each other, and you have a really cute little embellishment that says XOXO. Or you can use the top piece, cut that out of some foam or foam board, and make a shaker. Put some acetate behind it. And that would be super cute for Valentine's Day. Oh, I love Valentine's Day crafting. I'm looking forward to getting started with that. So this is the first die set in the release. This is the next one. This is the cutest little banner, and this is called the Valentine Banner set. There was some extra type there. I just blocked that off because this is what will be on the website. So the Valentine Banner set comes with this really cute banner. So all these pieces are together. There's bows on the edge, and then a couple of banners, and they're all like scalloped, which is super cute. Layering pieces for everything. There are lots of different bows here with different sizes, different layers, so you can really go to town on that. Love the different shapes of the layering pieces for the banners as well. And there are little hearts you could put on, little circles. These I think are the centers for the bows, but use your imagination to use that. So it's a really good size for cards, I would say. Perfect for that. Yeah, so I will add that to some cards, and I'll show you projects with that. This next one is called the Heart Postage Stamps die set. So this is really cute. This has different stamps. So when you cut this out, the little holes punch out, so it looks like perforation for stamps. So there's a single set, and then there's the double, and there's the small and the bigger size. So how fun is that? That'll be really fun to embellish, I think. So again, that's called the Heart Postage Stamps die set. This next one is called the Garbage Container Bin. So I am really curious about this one, and I think this will be so fun to make for Valentine treats. Maybe put some candies in there. So is it 3D? I'm not sure, actually. Maybe it's not. But we'll check it out. I haven't looked to see if there are any sneak peeks from other design team members if they have put this together. There's a cute little smiley face, so I think this is going to be adorable put together. So it's got these pieces, and then on the back it looks like the lid, a bigger smiley face, so maybe there's a small and a big. I really don't know. So that'll be fun to see what that turns out to be. This one is Fringe. You can tell because of all the vertical cuts like this. So this one is called the Fringed Hearts Bundle. So on this side are the regular hearts that are stitched, which is great. You know, you can always use those in your stash all year long. And then this side is the fringe part. So you would cut this out, and then, like I said, these fringe, so you could use it either in paper, you could use your faux leather, vellum. I think that'll be really cute to layer on top of these as well. So we'll put that together, see what that comes out like. Here's one of the bigger sets. This one is called the Cell Phone Shaker and Cover. How fun will this be for Valentine's crafts? So it looks just like my phone, actually. It looks like an iPhone. So it comes with this nice big size. It's like the same size as well. I'd show you my phone, but I'm using it to record. So on the back, there's the shaker frame, there's layering pieces, there's even AirPods. And then there's a sentiment that says hugs and kisses with the shadow. And there are balloons, one in the shape of like a little bear or mouse, whatever you want to use it for. Here's like a triple layer balloon, and there's a star balloon too as well. So wow, that's adorable. And then on this side are layering pieces that are stitched. You can make it into a mini album, I'm sure, with these pieces here. And then there are speech bubbles and little squares for the buttons on your phone. How fun. I know that people are going to make the cutest things with this. Again, that's called the cell phone shaker and cover. Okay, the next one is a beautiful scalloped heart, and this reminds me of the heart circle nesting set, and that is one of my favorite die sets from Erica of all time. This one is called the Heart Mini Album. So, oh, look how cute this is. On this side, there's the, this is a frame, so you can make it into a shaker, I believe. And then look at these conversation hearts. They say love, happy, faith, and wish, and it embosses those words into your paper. So if you use that on shimmer paper, that would be beautiful. Here's a bow and another part of a bow. This is a layering piece for the heart to make a pocket. And then this part of the bow, you would bring the centers in to connect to create the loops, and here are layering pieces for that. So this is going to make a beautiful bow. Oh, so these are layering pieces, or this is a layering piece for this one. So I love this. I think this is gorgeous. Another heart piece you can use separately or with this die set. So nice versatile set. Again, that's called the Heart Mini Album. Okay, next we had this Armoir, which is called the Armoir Tag die set. And that is a beautiful big size. Look at that. Right? So that's the back of it, and this is the front. So obviously layering pieces, looks like you could open up the doors. And then there are decorations as well, little handles. You can make this Victorian or modern, whatever way you want. So cute. I can't wait to work with this as well. Love things like that. And you can make it even kitchen-y too. Okay, this one is called the Heart Jelly Bag, and you know how popular the jelly bags are in Erica's shop. So if you like this one, I suggest just grab it on Monday if you possibly can. So the front of it looks like this. So this is the Valentine or heart theme of the jelly bags, and it's got little heart cutouts here. And of course, when you run this through your die cutting machine, you can save those hearts and use them in shakers. And then this, these cutouts on the sides look like kind of little diamond, well, not diamonds, maybe like kind of plus signs. And then the handle is a heart, which is great. So you'd cut out 2 of those. This is the side, you'd cut out 2 of those, and here's the bottom with layering pieces, of course, and the sides have all the heart cutouts. And then there are these decorations too. So there's a heart frame, make a shaker if you want. There's a background, and then a stitch layering piece too. I love the stitches on the frame too. That's a really nice touch. And I like that it's a nice thick frame too. So that'll be perfect for shakers. So that's really cute. Love that. Remember, you know, put that on your list if you possibly can. This one is called the Market Stand Mini Album. Oh, I am so excited for this. I didn't even see this in my pile. So this is, you know, a market stand you can use for fruit, flowers, coffee, tacos, any kind of like vending kind of stand you want to use. So good for Valentine's Day. You could even do like a kissing booth. For Mother's Day, you could do flowers or whatever your mom likes. Springtime, Easter. This is really, really cute. So as a mini album, it does come with the outline piece, then a stitch layering piece, and then a more detailed inner piece. Of course, there's the wheel that you would put there with the layering piece as well. These are probably like places where you can make little signs. And then on the back are all the different layers. Here's the awning, which has a nice big scoop in the center. That's cool. This looks like a balloon. Yeah, these are strings for balloons. Here are some pieces that you can add embellishments. Here's one that says love, and you can just layer those all together. And yeah, just lots of different pieces, lots of hearts. There's even cups, like if you wanted to make it into a coffee cup or a coffee vending cart. So this is so adorable. Of course, I'll probably make it into a card like I usually do for these things. I love mini albums, but I love cards. So that was that one. And then the next one, this is called the Postage Stamp Mini Album. So like the postage stamps before, you could use that with this, but this is the mini album. So this one comes with the glue tab or the spine part already built in, easy to make into a mini album. And it's stitched, and then it comes with this really cute postage stamp frame. And then the embellishments on the inside, you have love with the heart for the O, and there's a little layering heart there too, so it'll look really cute with 2 different layers. And then this says, what does that say? Spread love. Love that. And then on this side we have, let's see, letter, and then another stamp layering piece, cute little heart letter, another stamp outline, and then a cute little airplane for our airmail. So super cute. Love all the different pieces in this. And for those of you who like postage kinds of dies and stamps and that sort of thing, this will be perfect for your projects. And then last but not least, it's this huge die set, and this one is called the Valentine Treat Box. This is the incorrect name, but this is what it'll be listed as on the website. So this treat box is, let's see, okay, so this would be the top, and it looks like you just cut it out twice. It even has the bottom attached to the main die set, so that's wonderful. It'll go together really quick if you want to make a bunch of them. And then I'll probably make this and show you how I did it. It's got the top that you can, that has a kind of a cutout already in there, so you could just tie a ribbon and keep it closed. And then these parts would go into the side, that would keep it closed just as well. There's frame layering pieces, and then shaker plates too, which is a really nice added touch. There's all these little hearts, and these hearts they're small, but they're a good size too. Here are cute little lips, and then XOXO. So this is going to be a really fun project to make too. I've got some Valentine paper ready to go, so I am looking forward to getting started working on these projects. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Remember, these will be available on January 1st. I can't wait to show you what I'm making with these. That'll be my next video for Scrap Diva Designs. Until then, thank you so much for watching. My links will be down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.